Alright, this is my 1990 Hoover Elite. This was my mother's. And it has the original wand, as you can see, the original hose to it. And just the only other thing that's original is its dusting brush. And then the other tools are replacements. But the amazing thing is, this is about 18 years old, and the only thing we have ever replaced on it is the bag and the headlight. The belt is, from what we can tell, is original, and, well, I'll show you guys. And yes, anybody that knows these Hoovers is probably going, he has no headlight or it's burnt out. Well, what I'm doing is it needs a new brush roll and probably a new belt and the new headlight, so I'm just going to wait until I send this in for all of its maintenance. And I will show you its tools really quick. Just flip that little tab up, put it down in here, and then you could use, I'll show you the dusting brush because that's the only thing that's original besides the hose and the wand, and there you go. Now, these tools did have pretty low suction on any of these models. Any similar model from this series, like for example, the Hoover Legacy, I believe it was called, and the Elite was the middle line, and then they had the Runabout, which was the cheapest, and they had the Elite, the Legacy, and the Runabout. And again, the Legacy was the top of the line, Runabout was the bottom, and this was the middle. So here it is. It's in pretty good condition, except I don't know if you can see this. There are quite a few scuffs all up in here from normal use, but you know, my mom used it for 18 years and just now got a new vacuum, so it's in pretty good condition.